I always had an interest in cars since a while now. I saw the program, I was like, I want to take advantage of it. My teacher had some contacts, got in contact with Caliber. They had the program. I was hoping they'll accept me, and I got accepted, and it's really nice. It's definitely a lot of learning into it. It definitely got me a bit of an understanding of how a career would be. Definitely more focused in what you got to do.